you join me. I'm sorry about yesterday that I had to basically stop the lecture, and I was denied the joy and pleasure of teaching you. Okay, now let's continue. Yesterday I was talking to you about Samuel's program, and Samuel, by the way, Samuel, are you here? Samuel, you're not here, and this is your program, Samuel. Oh boy. Okay, so let's go and revise what I mentioned to you. Let me see if I can join on my cell phone as well. Then I have two playing. I have it playing on my computer, and I have it playing on my cell phone, right? Okay, so let's see, add this device. All right, now I'm sharing my screen. There's my code blocks program out there. And yep, okay. Right, oh, there's a guest on me. That's me. I'm trying to join the lesson, right? I'm trying to join from my cell phone so that I'm a guest. You can let me in, Sherazan, or is it Esmodli? I'm not sure who was that. Because I want to join. Oh, so this is how it looks like when I'm a guest in my own meeting. Let's see. No. I don't want. Oh, this is in Mlovo. That's fine. You can join. Unverified guest. That's me. Right. Let's see if it allows me to come in. All are 224. Let's go and admit all. Right. Okay. So I've changed the settings on. I've changed the settings such that I'm allowing people, only my students, to enter in, right? And only people that I invited. Now, if you go and share this link with anybody else, then what's going to happen is they will also join in and they will interfere with our lesson. So I'm going to continue. I hope you can see my screen. Yesterday and the day before, we spoke about a comment statement. So if I look at line number 1, 2, 3, 4, those are comment statements. Comment statements has the // in there. If I take out the // hey, look at that. It changes its color. It changes to purple and black. If I put the // there, that means it's a comment statement. Now, a comment statement means that the compiler will ignore that statement. Ignore it. It's like how I'm ignoring all the students that are not my students, right? And the students that don't know the answer to that question, which is the most important subject, right? So that was a joke. See, I missed the laugh and I missed the interaction with my students now, so I can't see you. You got that joke? But more importantly, I want a comment statement, because the comment statement, all your comment statement must tell me what is the input in the program, what is the processing in the program, and what comes there as output, right? So I'm teaching you the input, processing, output way of doing programming. Any program, I started programming in 1986. That was a pretty long time ago. And in 1986, I learned about input, processing, and output. And in 2024, I am still teaching you about input, processing, and output. All right. And I got a long way through. I did my diploma, I did my degree, I did my teacher's diploma, and all of them were in computer science. And we learned about input, processing, and output. And I did my honors and my master's. And y'all know I got my PhD. And my PhD is in teaching IT program, meaning to first-year students. And what I learned in my PhD is how I'm teaching you guys. Have you noticed I use the word teaching and not lecturing? All right. And I'm prepared to take on a debate with any person who talks about whether we must lecture to first-year students or whether we must teach first-year students. So out here it says, we're going to take out that rule, what happens there, right? So I'm going to start teaching you how to handle and to answer a programming question. So in line number 6, it says include IO stream. Now, IO stream is basically a, you can think of it as a library. You can think of that as an expert. That IO stream has lots of other capabilities in it. And if I put down IO stream, I'm able to use certain programming functions inside, right? Using namespace also works like that. And we try that out in online GDB. And yesterday, I introduced the students to 3 variables: born year, age, and current year. And I think it was one of the students that said, listen, sir, while I'm talking about hard coding, why do I need to put down current year? I could have just left it as 2014, all right? But I like to do that just for fun's sake, okay? And to make programming interesting. And then there's my processing. Age is equal to current year minus born year. Okay, anybody wants to share their details with me and when they were born? Let's run the program. Let's run the. Pretty please enter in the year you were born in. Right, so yesterday I also spoke about the C-in statement. So this is console input. That means I'm requesting from the user. From the user, I'm requesting there to enter in a value, right? Now, 2 days ago, was it 2 days? Yes, I spoke about syntax errors and runtime errors, right? I spoke about it and I said, listen, how do I, force a runtime error? So let's just force a runtime error. So the error occurs when the program is running. So for fun's sake, I'm going to enter in P for protesting students, right? P-R-O-T-E-S-T, protesting students, right? Get my joke, get my joke. Students are protesting, ha ha ha. Oh no, you're not. Okay. Okay, there's some people that want to join. You know what I'll do? I'll do it on my WhatsApp. I'll have like a what call? I can call it like a video call or something like that. Anyway, so let's see what happens. Oh, look at that! Look at that! So there's no protesting students out here. Hey, we're lucky, right? So, and we can't do anything. It gives me the wrong answer. See what happens with protesting students? Can't run, right? So let's run it now with a nice little thingy. Pretty please enter in the year you were born in. Anybody wants to share the year that they were born in? See, I have to see y'all. Hello, how are you? You can post in the chat quickly. Anyone wants to share that? So that's the input. I'm requesting input from you. Come on, I got the chat available. Must I call on people now? A Majola, A Madondo. Yes, A Madondo, type it in the chat. What year were you born in? Now see how I'm requesting input from you. And because we are online, I could use C-in, plus I got to use, what I got to use now? C-in and I must use the chat. Oh, so A Madonda, you were born in 2006. Let me see how old you are now in 2024, right? Madondo, thank you for sharing that with me, right? So let's open up my code blocks. So Madondo, oopsie, sorry, wrong one there. There we go. Right, so Madondo was born in 2006. Now, that line was run over here. That was line number 13 and line number 14. When I start teaching you about tracing through a program, then I'm going to talk about, hey, I need to be able to, that's on the phone, right? So when I start talking about tracing through a program, I will expect you to know that what line am I on? What do I go after that, right? So right now I went to line number 14, 2006. So the compiler now is in line number 16. Please enter the current year. The current year is 2024, right? So, oh, check it out, check it out. You are 18 years old. Is that true? Is that true? Are you indeed 18 years old? Type it in the chat. Type it in the chat. You are 18 years old. Yes or no? Talk to me. Are you 18 years old in 2024? Ah, man, say hello to me, please. Am I right? Is the program right? They were talking about logic errors now. We're talking errors in terms of, yeah, Madondo, you are right. Am I right? Not me now. The program is right. So the program did what it's supposed to do. Okay? Thank you, Madondo. Let's give everybody Madondo a clap. Give him a clap. Can I see that? Where's the clap now? Don't allow anybody else in now, right? It's already 25 past 10. Those are the protesting students that they want to come in. Let me go and change some settings so that I'm allowing the students to at least clap their hands. Don't allow N and Gobo in because he may be a protesting student. right? So let's talk about the program now. Amadondo, can you unmute your mic, please, Amadondo? I'd like to talk to you, please, Amadondo. Okay, or call me on your cell phone. What's your cell phone number, Miss Amadondo? Post it on the WhatsApp group. I'll call you there. Then you can talk to me, right? If you have data. By the way, we may be going online, and then when they go online, they will provide students with data, right? But I like to come to DUT and work because see, when I'm at home, my dog barks in the background, then my son is in the background, and the TV is on, and all of that like that. All right. So, Amadondo, you're not talking to me. I'm sad, but never mind. I'm here.
Yes.
There we go. Yay! Amadondo, are you there?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Please keep your mic on. Talk to me, right?
Yes.
So, Amadondo, your input statement was the year you were born in, correct?
Yes.
Right. So that's input. Can you see in line number 13, 14? Those were input statements. But Amadondo, remember I told you that C out is an output statement.
Yes.
So why aren't you asking me, sir, but how can you say it's an input statement over there? Ask me that, Amadondo.
Let me see. I have a problem with the network here.
Oh, okay, no problem. Thank you, but thank you for talking. Can you hear me throughout, Amadondo?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. And don't share this link with any protesting students, okay?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so Amadondo wanted to know, okay, and I asked him to ask her, C out. The reason I have to have the C out statement there, because I don't want the cursor flashing to just simply tell me, hey, it's a born year, and I don't know what to enter in, right? But this is the basic, simple program that you have, where you want to enter in a year, another year, and then I do some processing and out comes the output, right? Now, Amadondo, because he joined me, I'm going to take the same program. Now, you must keep this in your mind as a template. So, Amadondo, what's your student number? 224 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? And you are Amadondo. Madurel, are you here, Madurel? Madurel. I saw your WhatsApp status, Madurel. Aha, and my voice is there, Madurel. Right. See, Madurel, what happens when you become my administrator? I save your name and I put you down there. So now, Madurel, are you available to talk, Madurel? Can you put your mic on?
Yes,
Madurel.
sir.
Right. So, Madurel, I'm asking you to input a number. Right, Madurel? Okay. Then, Madurel, I want you to find the square of the number. Now, let's say, for instance, the number that I'm entering in is 4, right? Madurel? Madurel! I can't hear you, Madurel. Madurel. Amadondo, what's the square of 4? This is mathematics. All of you passed mathematics at matric level. I know that. Madurel. Amadondo. S. Modley. Somebody. What's this? Okay, type it in the chat. What's the square of 4? What's the square of 4? The square of 4. Type it in the chat, please. Someone type it in the chat for me. What's the square of 4? Let's look at the chat. Let's see who typed it in. Yay! The square, Amadondo, the square of 4 is 16. So now we want a program to, let's go and view the log, right? Please don't allow anybody else to come in, right? Only students with S. Naidu. Okay, that's Samuel. I know Samuel. AMCB. Okay, I think I know AMCB. Right. Now, let's look at my program, right? Let's look at my program. So, Amadondo told me that the answer is, for example, he got that by saying 4 times 4, right? Now I want to output 16, for example, 16. So I'm teaching you how to program now, right? And I've taken a concrete example. For example, it's 16 and I want to use integers in there, right? So I'm going to keep all of this. So I need a number. Samuel, are you there, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Hey, welcome. Samuel, you are so late, Samuel. It's now 10:31. But never mind. Thank you for coming. I know you had to drive to campus and all of that from far. It was half an hour driving, yeah, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Samuel, you joined us late, but this is our program we're going to do now, right? I want to write a computer program where they give me an input of 4, and then I want to find out 16. And I think it was AMCB told me in the chat. Samuel, check the chat. Samuel.
Checking
Okay,
it,
A.
sir.
Madrondo, check the chat. Who's got a good connection?
So my chat is empty, yeah.
Oh my. Okay, your chat is empty. All right. What is 4 times? What is the square of 4, Samuel?
16, sir.
Correct. How did you get that?
4 multiplied by 4.
Right. Now, that is a concrete example. There was a psychologist who said that you need to take the children from a concrete example to an abstract example. So concrete example is 4, and abstract thingy is number, right? Number, right? So think of that as being a variable. That's a little bit abstract to you, right, Samuel? I know you did
Yes,
computers
sir.
before, but just pretend like you don't know, right? Pretend like I'm your teacher, right? Because I got lots of students over there who are brand new to computers. So now I'm going to say, can you see where it says input number? I'm going to say, pretty please enter in what, Samuel? Samuel, hey, Madondo. Samuel, are you there?
Yes, sir, but I do not know where your cursor is. Okay, I can see it now.
Oh, right. Now, Samuel, can you see how I'm very polite? I said, pretty please enter in a number, Samuel. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, remember, I declared number, okay? So I'm going to say number. C in, because I want you to give me the number 4. I think it was one of the students, check my chat, they wrote down over there. So somebody in the chat, please write down input is 4. Samuel, can you see it now in the chat? Oh, goodness.
It's still empty, sir.
Hey, Samuel, what kind? There, man. A. Madonda wrote down 16. M and Lovo, the square of 4 is equal to 4. No, man. M and Lovo. Hey, rewrite that answer, M and Lovo. The square of 4 is equal to 4. No, 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 no. If you don't know mathematics, you can't do programming. I can tell you that now, huh? Or you're just joking. Or maybe you're the protesting student. M and Lovo. A. Madondo. Okay, let's leave that protesting student out there, right? So now you told me that in order to get the square, I got to write it out as 4 times 4, okay? So I don't need another variable. My input said only one variable, okay? And then I'm using variables now. I'm going to call this answer, right? Now, Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, you told me if I want to talk in an abstract way using variables and the person enters in 4, how will I get to write it in a C++ programming statement?
Do you want the answer to be 16?
Correct.
So number 10 multiplied by 4.
Multiply by 4. Okay, but Samuel, what if I enter in 10?
It'll be 10 multiplied by 4. 40.
Oh man, Samuel, you forgot mathematics now, Samuel. Come on. What's 10 squared?
Oh, 100.
Correct. What is 4 squared? Let's do some maths now. Oh, I'm
16.
getting worried here. What's 3 squared?
9.
What's 7 squared?
49.
Yeah, you know, when I was a school teacher teaching standard 7 and standard 6 students, y'all don't even know that that's how old I am. They were standards that time. I used to test them every morning on tables, right? So now I'm asking you, that's a concrete example, Samuel. Take what you learned in a concrete example and give it to me in a programming statement from what I taught you now. How do I get the square of a number?
I don't know there's a function for that, sir. Oh, number times number.
That's more like it, right? So if you don't understand the mathematics behind it, you're going to have a difficult time understanding programming. I'm telling you that to everybody. The people that fail programming and the people that don't understand mathematics or they didn't do well in mathematics. Right? That is why one of the entrance requirements into the degree is maths. Now, Samuel, I want to display it out. The square of, am I going to have age over there, Samuel?
You will have number, sir.
Correct. Number is, what am I going to have here, Samuel?
Answer.
Correct. Let's, well, I don't know if it's correct. I don't know. I'm just teaching this class. All I'm going to depend on is the what? A compiler. Let's check the compiler. Let's check the compiler and think what the compiler says now, right? Hey, Madondo, Madurel, who wants to take a bet with me that I got no errors? Anybody wants to take a bet? Anybody? Hey, see, this is why I don't like online. Y'all don't laugh, y'all don't joke, y'all don't see me. I can't see the reactions. That's right. Uh-oh. If y'all took a bet with me, y'all would have won the bet. Samuel.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong there, Samuel?
Answer isn't declared as a variable.
Ah, so how do I declare it, Samuel?
Int answer semicolon.
Oh, okay. Int ANSWER. Right. Thank you, Samuel. Right. Now let me compile it, Samuel. Hold it. Samuel, give me a clap, Samuel. Oh. Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Give me a clap.
I don't know if you can hear it.
I can't hear. Okay.
The room
Right.
suppression, sir.
Right, run it now, right, Samuel? Oops, Samuel, pretty please enter in a number. So the number that I asked you as a test data was 4. Samuel, what number must I enter in?
4, sir.
Right, watch this, Samuel. The square of 4 is 16. Yay! Samuel, give me a clap. Oh, God. Let me write it again. Let's write it again. Pretty please enter in a number 3. Samuel, what's the square of 3?
9, sir.
Let me see if you're right. Yay! You're right. Samuel, let me run the program again. Remember you said 10. What's the square of 10?
100, sir.
Yay! Samuel, I'm happy, Samuel. Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
God. Be more happy now, right? Right, so any program that we have is input, processing, and output. I'm just squeezing it up here so that y'all can, I'm going to share this on my WhatsApp now, right? All righty. Samuel, guess what? We had no processing students. Touch wood. Thank God. Samuel.
Our prayers worked, sir.
Yeah, I had to pray. Wait a minute. Did I pray this morning? I forgot. Okay, please, God, help me to have no protesting students and nobody must disrupt my class and everything. Please pray to you. I promise I'll go to temple next week or so. I'll come and go around the temple 3 times. Okay, I'll make it 4 times. And 1 extra for the room. Right. Okay. Okay. Plus, I'll listen to my songs
And
on
fasting,
Spotify.
sir.
Okay. Okay. I'll fast. I'll fast. Well, I'll fast every day. Only. Like after 12. But anyway, okay. I'll fast too. Samuel said I must fast. Okay, Samuel. Let's copy that, Samuel, and let's paste it. Right. Let's paste it in our WhatsApp. Right. Samuel, are you sure you didn't tell the EFF students to come and join us, Samuel?
It's a secret, sir.
Oh, no, Samuel. Oh my, this is a problem with all these people telling me. Right, now. So, let's revise what I taught you now, Samuel. Yesterday, Samuel, I told you that programming has input, processing, and output, and we did something that you can relate to, your year when you were born. You should all know your year that you were born. Today, I took it a step further and I told you all about mathematics, right? And the mathematics that we spoke about is the square of a number. And we discovered that it's also input, processing, and output, right? I said input, processing, and output. And you can try this on online GDB as well, Samuel. Do you know that, Samuel? Let's see if it works, because you're going to complain and say, sir, I haven't got code blocks running. But didn't I teach you all about online GDB, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, Samuel, let's do an online GDB for the benefit of those students who say, sir, I haven't got
Code blocks.
online GDB. Yeah, I haven't got code blocks. Right. Let's go. So for today's lesson, I simply want you to understand again that the program has input, processing, and output. Samuel, you can see. You want to see how fast I can type, Samuel?
Sure, sir.
Watch this, Samuel. Abracadabra. Samuel, I type so fast.
Your screen's still the same, sir. Online GDB is still the same.
Okay, Samuel, it's for you. I don't know where you're living here. Maybe Joburg or something. That's why it's taking so long. All right. Anybody? Hey, Madondo, can you see it? Marjirel, can you see it, Marjirel? Marjirel. Where are you? Marjirel. Okay, Samuel, keep your WhatsApp on. Samuel.
I have it on, sir. And your screen showed up now.
Yeah, like 10 minutes later. All right, Marjirel. How do I run this program, Marjirel? Okay, Samuel, I think Marjirel has a problem there. Samuel!
Yes, sir.
I told you to keep your mic on. I'll be talking to you because you're used. I got a mic that still works. How do I run this program?
Run. Top left.
Top left, click on run. Check it out. Pretty please enter in a number. Samuel, watch how good I am, right, Samuel? I want you to think of a number which I'm thinking about, right? And the number that I want you to think of or give me, Samuel, is between 6 and 8. Samuel,
7, sir.
what number? I'm thinking of the same number. It's an integer. It's between 6 and 8. Hey, Madondo. Hey, am I good or what, Samuel? Can you see how I projected this over the airways through the internet? I was thinking of the very same number. Watch this now. The program is going to give me the square of the number 7 times 7, which is Samuel.
49, sir.
Ta-da! Samuel, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Do you think I'm qualified enough to teach you programming, Samuel?
Definitely, sir.
Thank you. I got doctorate and all of that, right? So don't worry, I can teach you. Okay, now Samuel, I'm going to deliberately make a mistake. Right. I'm going to deliberately make a mistake. Don't think that I'm doing it for fun's sake or anything. I'm going to teach you something, right, Samuel?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I'm going to deliberately do a mistake out here, right? And I'm going to run the program. Samuel, how do I run the program?
Top left, you press run.
Hey, you're too clever. Must be taking after your teacher. Pretty please enter in a number. Samuel, again, I want you to think of a number between 4 and 6. It must be an integer. Let me see if you're thinking about the same number as me.
So I think Marjorel will know the answer.
Marjorel! He's not, he's protesting, he's keeping silent.
And A. Modondo, sir. She'll know the answer.
Modondo! This is his program. Modondo.
5.
Yay! Samuel, were you thinking of the same number?
Yes, sir.
Right, Modondo. What's going to be the answer, Modondo? Modondo. Check it out. The square of 5 is 125. Oh my gosh. Samuel, I thought you said I know maths. I know how to teach you. Look there, I made a mistake there, Samuel.
You're human, sir. It happens.
Yeah, okay, I'm a human, right? What error is this, Samuel? Is this a syntax error, a runtime error, or a logic error?
Logic.
Yeah, don't be like that. Be confident. It's a logic error. It's an error in the way I'm thinking. It's an error in the output of the program that's giving me a wrong answer. Okay? Any idea what is 5 times 5 times 5, Samuel?
125, sir.
Yeah, 125. What is 5, which is 5 times 5 times 5? Maths has a special name. Huh?
5 cubed.
Yeah, 5 cubed. So in order to make this right, I can do it like this, right? I can say the cube of is that. Check it out now, Samuel. Run it again. Pretty please enter in a number 3. What is 3 cubed, Samuel?
27.
27. Hey, I'm getting worried about your maths here, right? The cube of 3 is 27. Okay, and that's where I'm going to leave you with today, right? But I'm going to change this over here. Samuel, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to say find the cube of the number. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Find the cube of the number. Example 3. And guess what I'm going to do, Samuel? I'm gonna delete all the answers, so you're not going to find it out yourself. Ha. Samuel, that was a joke, Samuel.
Funny, sir.
Right. Example 27. Right. So Samuel, I'm going to take all this out.
So Marjorel said he couldn't answer because his network is terrible. So his mic will
no problem. Now, Marjorel. Tell Marjorel, that's what I want the EFF and ANC and DA and IFP and all of them. We must protest about that. We want a strong network. We want fast internet speed, right? Then I will protest with you. So let's go and create a new classroom, right? There's my new classroom. I'm going to say leave it there. And I'm going to go to INPR101. I'm going to say add an assignment. And the title of the assignment is Control V. All right, find the cube of a number. Samuel, I had a spelling mistake over there. You didn't tell me, Samuel. When should we make it due, Samuel?
Monday, sir.
What Monday? Okay, Saturday. Saturday, and you got a deal. C++. And I want you to, right? It's due tomorrow. Oh yeah, let's give it a time. Let's give it a time. Let's say time is no. Let's give you all 8 p.m. right? 8:50 p.m. That's fine. Title. Control V. The title is cube of a number. Right now, the only way you're going to learn programming is if you do it. You can't read programming by answering from a textbook, reading a textbook, right? Okay, Samuel, you got the joke about me.
Yes, sir.
Right, and I'm going to say preview it. Okay. Oh man, I forgot to save it. Samuel, I did all that work for nothing now, Samuel. Let's do it again. Content, Control V. The title is Cube, C-U-B-E. Find cube, right? And it's not in C, it's in C++. Okay, Monday, I'll give you till Monday, right? How's that, Samuel?
Very generous of you, sir.
Thank you, Samuel. See, I'm what a kind. Okay, Monday 26th, right? Okay, Monday 26th. Now, the only way you're going to do it is if you're going to work on your own, right? You don't copy anybody else, and let's preview it or cancel it. Save it first. Save it. And preview it. Find the cube of a number, input the number, processing, find the cube and the output. Now, use meaningful variables, okay? Like what I did, okay? Okay, everybody? Everybody? Everybody! Ah, man, Samuel, are you still there, Samuel? I'm almost finished with the lecture.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you for saying yes, sir. Who said yes, sir? Who said yes, sir? Oh, man. I hope you're not the protesting student. Right, let's go and make this a bit bigger for me. Oops, the wrong one, wrong program. There we go. There we go. New. All right. So y'all we spent about, by the time we could get everything done, we spent, there it is. All right, so the only way you're going to learn programming is if you do this on your own. Okay, everybody? All right. I hope you learned something today. I know this wasn't a scheduled lecture. I just did this for fun's sake, right? For fun, I did it. And not fun, I needed to teach you a lesson. And with programming, I got to teach you every day, otherwise you'll forget. All right, otherwise you will forget. Okay. Oh, only 12 students in today's class, but it doesn't matter. You can watch the recording. Let's go and stop the recording. Recording transcript, stop recording, right? So we'll stop the recording, then we can talk about anything else. Oh, 55 minutes I'm online, right? Let's stop the recording.